Looking for the best folding carts? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 folding carts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, dbest products, Collapsible Cart. Includes an oversized wheel that enables you to effortlessly push the cart across rugged terrain. Cushioned handle helps reduce stress on the joints. Provides 8 compartments, enabling you to store a wide range of items. Consists of weatherproof material that ensures the cart will maintain its appearance for an extended period of time. A premium collapsible cart that delivers a terrific blend of versatility and capability. Fabric tends to wear down and tear apart quickly. At number 2, Wellmax, Collapsible Cart. Compact cart requires limited assembly. Designed to fit a variety of items up to 66 pounds. Includes swivel wheels in the front and snap-on wheels in the back for unparalleled maneuverability. Boasts a long, soft handle that ensures you can seamlessly push the cart anywhere you need to go. This lightweight collapsible cart is built to last and won't break your budget. Front wheels may be difficult to pivot at times. Less than ideal when used on bumpy surfaces. At number 1, Max Sports, Collapsible Cart. Simple to set up in just seconds. Heavy-duty frame provides support for loads up to 150 pounds. Includes an adjustable handle and 2 cup holders for added convenience. Mesh fabric offers tremendous strength and durability. Available in a variety of eye-catching colors. This collapsible cart offers plenty of space and is easy to store. Wheels sometimes shake and wobble and may come off the cart, even after minimal use. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.